Do you ever wonder what all the different types of fabrics are used for and how they are made? Well, today we are going to take a closer look at one particular type of fabric, that is metallic laminated non-woven fabric. What is metallic laminated non-woven fabric? Metallic laminated non-woven fabric is a type of fabric that is made by bonding a thin layer of metallic film to a non-woven fabric base. Non-woven fabric are fabrics that are made without weaving or knitting. Instead, the fibers are bonded together using a variety of methods such as heat, chemicals, or a mechanical means. Metallic laminated non-woven fabrics are strong, durable, and resistant to tearing and puncturing. They are also waterproof and flame retardant. How is metallic laminated non-woven fabric made? The manufacturing process for metallic laminated non-woven fabric begins with the creation of the non-woven fabric base. This can be done using a variety of methods such as a melt blown, spun bond, or carded non-woven processes. Once the non-woven fabric base is created, it is laminated with a thin layer of metallic film that is done using a variety of methods such as adhesive bonding, thermal bonding, or ultrasonic bonding. What are the benefits of metallic laminated non-woven fabric? Metallic laminated non-woven fabric has a number of benefits including strength and durability, resistance to tearing and puncturing, waterproofness, flame retardants, barrier properties, thermal insulation, aesthetic appeal. What are some of the applications of metallic laminated non-woven fabric? Metallic laminated non-woven fabric is used in a wide variety of applications including medical devices, protective apparel, automotive application, building materials, packaging materials, home textiles, and consumer goods. Now let's take example of each types. First, medical devices. Metallic non-woven fabric. Metallic laminated non-woven fabric is used in a variety of medical devices such as surgical gowns, drapes, and bandages. It's also used in disposable medical supplies such as diapers and wipes. Protective apparel. Metallic laminated non-woven fabric is used in a variety of protective apparel such as firefighter suits, chemical suits, and hazmat suits. Automotive applications. This fabric is used in a variety of automotive applications such as headliners, airbags, and noise insulation. Building materials. This metallic laminated non-woven fabric is used in a variety of building materials such as roofing remembrance, insulation, and vapor barriers. Packaging materials. Metallic laminated non-woven fabric is used in a variety of packaging materials such as food packaging, medical packaging, and industrial packaging. Home and textiles. Metallic laminated non-woven fabric is used in a variety of home textiles such as tablecloths, curtains, and shower curtains. Consumer goods. Metallic laminated non-woven fabric is used in a variety of consumer goods such as luggage, handbags, and the shoes. Now let's talk about conclusion of this video. Metallic laminated non-woven fabric is a versatile and durable fabric that is used in a wide variety of applications. It is strong and durable fabric that is resistant to tearing and puncturing. It is also waterproof and flame retardant. Metallic laminated non-woven fabric has a number of other benefits such as barrier properties, thermal insulation, and aesthetic appeal. So next time you see the metallic laminated non-woven fabric, you will know what it is and how it's made, and you will also know about its benefits and applications. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.